Hello and welcome to Eat Your Backyard, my YouTube channel where I share my backyard experience with you. You're looking at Thumper the rabbit, and he is enjoying some delicious dandelion greens that I just picked from just growing wild. I spread dandelion seeds all over my yard. You might think you have to weed them out, but when you have rabbits, you want them to grow. In fact, I fertilize them. This is a well-fertilized handful of dandelion greens I just picked. And Thumper likes nothing more than to spend his afternoons laying in the shade and eating fresh dandelion greens. I mean, who wouldn't? Few things more cute than a lionhead buddy just eating greens as well. That's just, I think, probably pretty good for your soul in general. So hey, check out my original music on Jedi Jingle Maker, but also subscribe to Eat Your Backyard for more weird videos like this.